The digital forms module allows you to create any form that you need and use it on the site and on offices, so you go completely paperless. Whether it's safety forms, compliance forms, plant and machinery pre-start forms, or even office forms like annual leave forms and whatnot. So once you click on the forms module, you click on Start Evaluation over here. When you click on Start Evaluation, you select the form, for example, the daily plan pre-start. You select the project it's going to be on. You select the project number, for example. You select the plant and equipment, which is from the plant equipment register that we already have in the other module, for example, the Hilux. And you start doing the plant pre-start. So operator name, plant type, plant rego number, the odometer reading. Then you do the checklist before commencing operations. The cabin access seating compliant, visibility compliant, hydraulics compliant, leaks compliant, brakes compliant, any damage on the panels, guard, cracks to chassis or frame, yes, and you can take a photo of it. When you click it with your phone or your tablet, opens up the camera, so you can take a photo of it, which gets attached over here, and so on and so forth. Type of defect. And this is just one form that this client has created. You can create any form you want for plant pre-start. You can have your own company forms created there. You can create ones from scratch. And then you type in the name. And then you sign with the finger over here. And then you submit your answer. When you submit your answer, you have an option of clicking send a copy of this form to your manager, which means they will get a copy of it sent with it. Now, when you have the forms, you can check the register of the forms in real time, which gives managers situational awareness. So, for example, here in the plant pre-start form, you can see everyone who's completed the forms, where, what time, what date. You can view the forms. You can over here you can view all the forms. You can actually download the form as a PDF if you'd like to send them to an external party outside of the business, or even in the business if you'd like to send the form inside the business. So yeah, there's the daily hazard risk assessment, and then you click on form, you click on daily hazard risk assessment, which is like your JSA. You select the project, and then you have traffic and moving plant, yes. What's the hazard rating? You've got the interactive risk rating. It is high. What are the control measures? Traffic control, cones, flashing lights, signage. The residual rating or reduced rating after the controls would go down to a low. You can type in notes, for example, no mobile phone use near road. Weather, falling from heights, electrical shock, excavation works, manual handling, noise, hot works, yes, smoke inhalation, sparks and ambers, hazardous substances, slip, trips and falls, insects and sting bites, night works, crane rigging, lifting, and then you type in the name of the worker and the signature, and you can add more and more and more workers to it, especially like if it's a toolbox form. And by the same way, you can look at the actual registers over here in the main page. It is very worthy to note that the same forms are on the app, the mobile phone and tablet app. What you see here is what you see on the mobile phone and tablet app, where the workers can fill out any form they want, like the plant pre-starts or the safety pre-starts, on their mobile phones, especially during COVID and the pandemic, when it's very good to have contactless technology. You can download a PDF. By clicking on download PDF, you can approve, you can disapprove. Here is the PDF of it. It's got the form title, submitted by who, location, project name, date, traffic and moving plant, the weather, the whole lot. And then, yeah, this is the forms module.